Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lahari Lectures. In this video, you can watch one word question answers from question 201 to 250. Let's see. First question, what does front pointer indicate? First element. Next question, what does rear pointer indicate? Last element. Next question, which queue avoids wastage of space? Circular queue. Which application does queue uses? BFS. What is the initial condition of an empty queue? Front equal to rear equal to -1. Next question, which operation is used to view the front element? Peek. Next question, in linear queue, what problem occurs? Memory wastage. Next, priority queue serves elements based on priority. Maximum number of elements in queue of size n is n. Next question. Which data structure is used in breadth first search? BFS. Q. Next question. What will be the output of the following operation? NQ10, DQ20, DQ nothing, NQ30, DQ nothing. Here is the answer. Q10, 10, 20, DQ removes 10, 20, NQ30 and 20, 30, DQ removes 20. So answer is the 20. Next question, why is a circular queue preferred over a linear queue? For better memory utilization. Next question, which of the following operation takes constant time in queue? NQ is the answer. Next question, why circular queue is better? For better memory utilization. Next question, in a linear queue of size n, what is the maximum number of elements that can be stored without shifting elements? Depends on implementation. Due to false overflow, space may remain unused. When is a circular queue considered full? That is rear plus 1 percentage n equal to front. Next question, when is a circular queue considered empty? Front equal to -1. Next question, what will be the output? NQ1, NQ2, DQ nothing, NQ3, NQ4, DQ nothing. So here is the answer 1, 1, 2, DQ removes 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, DQ removes 2. Which problem occurs in linear queue but not in circular queue? False overflow. Next question, in circular queue, rear move using rear plus 1 percentage n. Next question, NQ5, DQ10, DQ nothing, DQ nothing, DQ nothing. So the answer is the last DQ causes empty queue, that is underflow. Circular queue indexing. If front equal to 2, rear equal to 4 and size equal to 5, next insertion position is 4 plus 1 percentage 5 equal to 0. So answer is 0. Next question, in a DQ, insertion can happen both front and rear. Next question, in a priority queue, if two elements have same priority, FIFO order. Next question, why linear queue wastes memory? Rear cannot reuse freed space. Next question, what is a linked list? Collection of nodes connected using pointers. Next question, what is a node in linked list? Linked list is a collection of elements called as nodes. How many fields does node contain? 2 fields of information. Each node contains one field contains data items, another field contains links or address of the list elements. Next question, each element in a linked list is called node. A node in a singly linked list contains data and pointer to next node. Next question, what is the front node of a linked list called? Head. Next question, what is the last node pointing to in a singly linked list? Null. Next question, what is the time complexity of accessing an element in a linked list? O of n is the answer. Next question, which operation is efficient in linked list compared to array? Insertion or deletion? Next question, which type of linked list has 2 pointers per node? Doubly linked list. Next question, in a circular linked list, the last node points to the first node. What is the disadvantage of a linked list? Extra memory for pointers. Next question, which operation requires traversal of the list? Insert at end. Next question, what is the time complexity of inserting at the beginning? O of 1. Which pointer stores the address of the first node? Head. What is the main advantage of linked list over array? Dynamic size. Next question, which linked list allows traversal in both directions? Double. Which operation is difficult in linked list? Random access. Next question, what happens if head equal to null? List is empty. Memory allocation in linked list is dynamic. Next question, what is the time complexity of accessing the ith element in a linked list? O of n. Next question, what is the time complexity of deleting a node from a linked list? O of 1. Next question, in doubly linked list, each node contains two pointers, previous and the next. Next question, what is the time complexity to search an element in the linked list? O of n. Next question, which data structure uses linked list implementation? Stack, queue, graph and tree. What is a benefit of circular linked list? Easier traversal from any node. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.